karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this saramonic Blink500 Prox B2 wireless microphones. So guys, like before we start opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 999 dirhams for this set. Okay, so now we will open it, we will unbox it, and we will see what comes in the box. So guys, as mentioned on the packing, it comes with two transmitters, that is two mics, one receiver, one USB C type charging cable. Then it comes with 3.5 mm TRS to TRS cable, then 3.5 mm TRS to T RRS cable. Then it comes with a charging case, and it comes with two fur wind protectors and two lavalier microphones. Okay, so we will open it and we will see what is in the box and how do they look and they feel. So guys, here we go. So guys, here it is. So this is the charging case, I think. Yes, this is the charging case. It shows the different level of battery, and I think you can open it using this. So guys, here they are. So this is the receiver which goes on the camera or to your mobile, and these are the two mics. Okay, so you can see them here. So when I opened the box, it automatically turned on and it is showing the battery levels. Okay, and so this is where the charging cable goes. So what else is in the box? So it comes with this instruction manual and these stickers which you can attach on your equipment. And what is this? So they come with this nice, very high quality carry pouch which has this saramonic marking on it. Okay, and these are the different cables. So this is USB C type charging cable which comes with it. And this is 3.5 mm to TRS cables. And guys, these are the two lavalier microphones which you can attach with these wireless microphones. Okay, so if you do not want people to see it, so you can plug this in and then you can attach this on your collar, and this goes on your belt loop or somewhere else. Okay, so what else is there? Yes, these are these wind canceller furs. Okay, so which you can put on these microphones. That is, so it has two clips, and I think these clips, they go in like this, and you have noise cancellation. So guys, that's all in the box, and that's all for today. So soon I'll be doing a detailed review of this, and I'll be doing couple of other videos to how to set this thing up with your mobile phones and with your camera. And guys, one thing I would like to tell you, the receiver, okay, the receiver, it does not come with the, it comes with the C-type charging connection, but it does not come with the C-type connection using which I can use it with the mobile which do not support 3.5 mm jack. For that you need to buy a converter, that is C-type to 3.5 mm jack converter, to make it use with the mobile phone which does not support 3.5 mm jack. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.